Take away all their money, and many self-made millionaires say they could rebuild wealth within a decade. Why? Because they don't just have wealth, they think in terms of wealth. Their mindset is the asset. We're gonna break down the 5 core thought processes of the wealthy so you can start applying them immediately. This isn't just information, it's a mental toolkit. Before we get started, could you do me a quick favor? Please hit the like button on YouTube, as this will help the algorithm reach more people like yourself. I truly appreciate you guys. Let's start building your new financial operating system. Before we dive in, let's be crystal clear. This discussion is not about judging anyone's current bank balance or background. This is not about rich people versus poor people. This is about deconstructing 2 opposing thought processes: the consumer mindset and the wealth builder's mindset. The consumer mindset can affect someone earning $200,000 a year, leaving them living paycheck to paycheck. The wealth builder's mindset can be adopted by individuals with modest incomes, enabling them to accumulate substantial wealth over time. Your income is a tool. Your mindset determines whether you use it to build a prison of debt or a palace of freedom. Mindset shift number 1: assets versus liabilities. This is the foundation upon which all wealth is built. The consumer mindset. This mindset focuses on acquiring the symbols of wealth. They spend their money on liabilities, things that take money out of their pocket every month. The prime example is a new luxury car. A $750 monthly payment on a vehicle that loses 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot is a perfect liability. It looks impressive, but it's a financial drain. This mindset prioritizes looking rich over actually being rich. The wealth builder's mindset. This mindset is obsessed with acquiring assets, things that put money into their pocket. Before buying a luxury, they buy an asset that can pay for that luxury. Instead of a $750 car payment, they take that same $750 a month and automatically invest it in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. This is an asset with the potential to grow and generate returns over time. After a decade, the car is worth almost nothing, while the investment portfolio, historically, this might grow to over $140,000, though results vary. They understand the power of owning things that can work for you even while you sleep. Mindset shift number 2: time horizon. Instant versus delayed gratification. This shift determines whether you serve the present or build the future. The consumer mindset operates on a short time horizon. The primary focus is immediate gratification. I want it now and I deserve it. This leads to financing vacations, buying the latest gadgets on credit, and prioritizing today's comfort over tomorrow's security. According to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, U.S. credit card debt is at an all-time high, a direct result of this short-term thinking. It trades long-term freedom for short-term pleasure. The wealth builder's mindset operates on a long-term horizon. They practice delayed gratification, understanding that the small sacrifices made today compound into massive rewards tomorrow. Let's look at the math of a Roth IRA. If a 25-year-old invests $400 a month, assuming a 9% annual average return, historically, consistent investing could grow into over $1.4 million by age 65, based on averages, not guaranteed. If they wait just 10 years and start at age 35, that same $400 a month results in only $580,000. That 10-year delay could mean missing out on hundreds of thousands in potential growth. Wealth builders see time as their most valuable ally and act accordingly. We're digging deep into the psychology of money. If these mindset shifts are starting to resonate with you, if you're feeling that aha moment, please take a second to hit the like button. It helps the channel immensely and tells me that you want more content that goes beyond surface-level advice. Mindset shift number 3: income, trading time versus building systems. This shift defines how you approach the very idea of earning money. The consumer mindset sees income as a linear exchange of time for money. I work 40 hours, I get paid for 40 hours. Their only strategy to earn more is to work more hours or get a raise. Their income is capped by the number of hours in a day. They become employees of their own time. The wealth builder's mindset sees their job or active income as a temporary funding source to build scalable systems for income. They are focused on creating streams of revenue that are not directly tied to their time. This can be passive income from rental properties, royalties from a book or course, dividend income from a stock portfolio, or profits from a business that employs other people. Their goal is to own the system, not be a cog in it. They ask, how can I make money while I'm not actively working? Mindset shift number 4, risk, avoidance versus calculated management. This shift determines your relationship with fear and opportunity. The consumer mindset is driven by a fear of losing money. They see the stock market as a casino and investing as gambling. Their primary strategy is risk avoidance. They keep their money safe in a checking or savings account, but they fail to see the invisible risk, inflation. With a historical average inflation rate of around 3% in the US, their safe cash is likely to lose purchasing power over time every single year. The wealth builder's mindset is driven by the fear of missing out on opportunities. They understand that the greatest financial risk is not taking any at all. They practice calculated risk management. They don't gamble. They invest based on research and a long-term strategy. They manage risk through diversification, not putting all their eggs in one basket, and by investing in things they understand. They know that short-term volatility is the price of admission for long-term growth. Mindset shift number 5, education, a finite event versus a lifelong pursuit. This final shift determines your capacity for growth. The consumer mindset views education as a finite period that ends with a degree or certification. After that, learning stops. They are often intimidated by financial topics, viewing them as too complex or boring. They outsource their financial thinking to others without understanding the basics themselves. The wealth builder's mindset views their formal education as just the beginning. They are committed to lifelong financial self-education. They understand that the world of money is constantly changing, and their knowledge is their greatest asset. Self-made millionaires are voracious readers of nonfiction. They listen to podcasts on economics and investing. They aren't afraid to admit what they don't know and actively seek out the answers. They know that investing in their financial knowledge has the highest ROI of anything they do. These 5 shifts, from liabilities to assets, from instant to delayed gratification, from trading time to building systems, from avoiding risk to managing risk, and from finite education to a lifelong pursuit, are not genetic traits. They are choices. They're mental muscles, skills you can train and strengthen. Your financial future will be a direct reflection of the mindset you choose to cultivate. Start today by making one small decision through the lens of a wealth builder. I'm curious to hear from you. Which of these 5 mindset shifts resonated with you the most, and why? What is one small, specific action you can take this week to begin operating with the wealth builder's mindset? Drop your answers in the comments below, and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.